Hello teachers. Today we're diving into Module 5, Standing Out from the Crowd. Now that your students have their business idea, it's time to make it shine in a crowded marketplace. But first, let's set the stage with a little scenario. Present this to your students. Imagine a brand new kids cereal is about to hit the supermarket shelves. The cereal company has hired your students to help promote and market their product. Work as a class to come up with a new name, target audience, eye-catching box, catchy slogan, and most importantly, consider what makes their cereal stand out from the competition. Once you have finished the classroom discussion on making the cereal stand out from the crowd, we're going to discuss making a business stand out from the crowd. Just like baking an awesome cake requires the right ingredients, making your business idea remarkable means adding that secret ingredient or unique twist. Take these cows, for example. At first glance, they all look the same, but what if one of them started dancing? Suddenly, it becomes unforgettable. Now think about Band-Aids. How can a simple Band-Aid become unique, different, and unforgettable? That's the challenge your students will tackle in this activity. Students will design their own Band-Aids, considering what makes their design stand out. They'll research existing brands and discuss how each design attracts a certain type of customer. Give them about 30 minutes to complete this task. But here's the kicker. They'll also need to think about their potential competitors. How will their idea offer something different, new, and hopefully better? It's all about creating unique value for customers. As educators, we play a crucial role in guiding students to think critically and creatively about their business ideas. This activity not only fosters digital literacy, but also hones their critical thinking and personal and social capabilities. So let's empower our students to make their business ideas unforgettable. Let's encourage them to think outside the box, innovate, and create something truly remarkable. And that concludes our lesson on making your business ideas stand out. I hope you found it insightful and inspiring for your own classroom activities. Until next time, happy teaching. Also, don't forget you can head to the Enterprising Girls website and download the full lesson plan in its entirety, completely free. The link is in the description below. Plus, we also offer the online classroom where you can track your students' process, see curriculum links, and even make reporting time easier. Check it out, enterprisinggirls.com.au, and then click on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.